Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how candy bars are manufactured, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours like this.
The ingredients are carefully blended to create the rich flavor and smooth texture of the candy bar.
Temperature is stable at 32 degrees.
Increasing the cocoa ratio now.
Every candy bar is formed with precision to ensure perfect shape, texture, and quality.
Every candy bar is carefully checked before leaving the factory.
And that's how candy bars are manufactured, from cocoa beans to the delicious treats enjoyed around the world.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.